welcome to another story time here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. I'm Kelsey here in the courtyard, and today we're going to be reading I'm the Best Artist in the Ocean by Kevin Sherry. Let's get started. Hello, I'm a giant squid, and I can draw. I can draw fish, I can draw crabs, I can draw manta rays, and jellyfish. I can draw anything. What do we have here? There's a seahorse, and a sea turtle, and a shark, and a sailfish. Splat! Looks like some ink landed on our clownfish friends. Hey, what are you doing? I'm making a masterpiece. Look, I can draw like this, or like that, or even like that. I'm the best artist in the ocean. Stop! Who's this? Got a big shark. What's gonna happen? You are making a mess. Huh? You mean a masterpiece? Ooh, what do we have here? What does it look like he's drawing on? It's a big whale. Makes for the best canvas. The end. That was a super silly book. So for our craft today, we're going along with our ocean theme. So we're going to be making our own squid, just like the giant squid in our book. So here's my squid. I made him out of a toilet paper roll. I used construction paper to wrap around the toilet paper roll and to make his little squid hat here. I put googly eyes on him, and then I hole punched all around the sides, and I tied strings for his tentacles, and also used some ribbon that I curled. So make sure to check out the attached tutorial in our Google Classrooms to learn how to make your own squid. And then share with us using the hashtag #KWVirtualGarden so we can see what you guys made at home. And for our next activity, you're going to join us for some yoga, some ocean yoga poses. Alright guys, we're going to do some yoga, so I'm going to lead us in some ocean yoga poses. So we're going to start. We're going to warm up and we're going to go swimming. So let's go swimming in the ocean and see what we can find. Alright. What do I see? I see a fish. Make your fish face and your little fins. What's your favorite fish? My favorite fish is a parrotfish. Alright, we're going to keep swimming. What do we see next? I see a starfish on the bottom. So let's spread out, spread your legs like a starfish, and reach up high and stretch as far as you can, like a big starfish. Big stretch. Alright, let's keep swimming, keep going, just keep swimming. Next, I see a jellyfish. So now we're gonna stretch, and then you're gonna reach down to your toes. And we're gonna sway like a jellyfish sways. Back and forth. Back and forth. Now, I'm looking around and I see a little red thing. He has little snappers. It's a crab. Let's be crabs. So sit down on your bottom. You're gonna put your feet in front of you like this. Bend your knees. Your hands are going to go behind you. Point your fingers towards your toes. And then lift your hips up to the sky. Just like a crab. If you want a challenge, you can try walking around like a crab. Walk back and forth. Right. What do I see next? Oh! I see a seal getting up on a rock. Let's act like seal. So now you're going to flip onto your knees, onto all fours. Put your two hands, spread them out, and put them in front of you. Put your hips on the ground, straighten your legs, and look up at the sky. Like a seal that's sunbathing on a rock. Big stretch. All right. The last thing I see a pufferfish. So what do pufferfish do? They get really big. So we're gonna take some deep breaths and blow up like a pufferfish. Ready? Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for yoga time and our virtual story time this week. I hope that you enjoyed it.